What? Black Hop? Why did you attack me? What do you want from me?
I am not Black Hop. I came to get revenge from my younger brother, Haku.
What? Wasn't Naruto the one who defeated her? I mean him? So why attack me? And I never knew he had older brother.
Well, now you know, and I can't let you live to tell about it.
Naruto defeated Haku. That means I can beat you too because I am Naruto's new apprentice.
Oh no, you can't. Naruto was stronger than you. And I am stronger than Haku. This means I can beat you.
Let's see who is stronger. We shall fight all the way to the dojo.
Bring it on, blue hair dude.
Let the games begin.